How to fix Outlook not sending emails. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if your Outlook is not sending emails, what you can do first is that you can double check if you have connection to an internet. So make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or to an Ethernet cable and make sure that they have internet. You can also double check if it has internet, if it says connected right here. Because sometimes you can be connected, but it says no internet. So just double check on that. And then if it's still not working, like if you cannot still send emails, you can double check your storage right here in the settings right here. And then on accounts, click storage. From here, you will see if you have used too much storage right here. So in my case, I have still have a lot of storage left. But in your case, if you are approaching the limit, like for example, the 5 gigabytes, what you need to do is that you need to free up some space. So maybe you can delete old emails that you don't use, or maybe you can delete some files from your OneDrive. So go ahead and do that so that you will have more storage in your email account. Now, if it's still not working, so that may be a bug in the application. So from here, what you can do is that you can use the repair feature of Microsoft. So to do that, just go to search, type in the control panel, and then click that. From here, go to programs and features. So from here, you will see your list of applications that is installed. So type in Microsoft in the search bar, and then you will see this Microsoft 365. So I have two versions right here. I have Microsoft 365 and Microsoft 365 apps for business. So this will depend on the account that you're using. So for the regular one, this is for personal account. And then for this one, apps for business, this is for business account. So just choose what you're using and then click change. From here, click yes. And then you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I suggest going with the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after you have used quick repair and if it's still not working, now you can use online repair. So this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So you can select this option if you're still having problems after quick repair. So from here, just choose the option that you want and then click repair right here. Keep in mind that this will take a little while to finish, so you just need to wait for it. And then after that, you can try opening Outlook again and try to send emails. And the issue should now be fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Outlook not sending emails. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.